Hello again. All right, so have an additional follow-up to the Redneck carbon fiber project. So this is 4 layers of denim and JB Weld, regular, plain old, original recipe, JB Weld steel epoxy. I decided to put this together because I was using some JB Weld for another project and had some left over and figured, why not? So, as you can see, this is a considerably smaller piece than was done with the original denim and the clear Harbor Freight epoxy. But I wanted to kind of show you my setup here before I actually put it in a clamp. So I cut the squares of denim and mixed up the epoxy right here in my paper plate. Definitely wear gloves. Exposure to epoxy, 1 or 2 times is not a big deal, but if you do it enough, you can actually develop a skin allergy, and then you'll never be able to work with it again, and that really sucks. So, but yeah, mix up the epoxy, and then I would just take the denim. I would dip it down into the plate, kind of back, forth each side, and then this flat piece of wood here, I kind of use that to scrape, kind of like spreading peanut butter over the surface of the denim, flip it over, scrape it each side, so it is nice and flat, and for the most part smooth. Now there is a nice thick coat on each one. I was thinking about trying to intentionally crisscross the direction of the fibers on this, but the problem is with the JB Weld versus the clear epoxy, you can't see it quite as well. I mean, you can tell now. You can see the direction. They're going this way, but as I was doing the layup with the other layers, I was not able to tell actually which direction was which. So I can tell, however, looking over here. So the top layer is going one direction, and then what looks like that second layer is going another direction. So it definitely looks like we're going to end up with some crisscross here, and so that should add additional structural support to this. So it is currently, what is that, 10 minutes till 7, Friday afternoon, Friday the 13th. We're going to go ahead and clamp this down in our clamp rig, and I'm going to let this thing set for the entire weekend. I'm not going to open this up until, not even Monday morning. I'm going to wait till I get home from work Monday afternoon to open this bad boy up. So, doubled over wax paper. I got the other one sitting over there. There's our lid. There's our clamps. Rock and roll. We're going to see what happens.